Welcome to our channel, Create Wealth Hub. Today, we're diving into an exciting journey, how to make the next 12 months the best year of your life. If you've ever felt stuck or unsure about your future, this video is for you. We'll explore powerful strategies for personal growth and effective goal setting that can transform your life. From cultivating a positive mindset to creating actionable plans, we'll provide you with the tools you need to thrive. Get ready to ignite your motivation and unlock your potential. Imagine looking back a year from now, proud of the progress you've made and the dreams you've chased. Together, we'll set the stage for an incredible year ahead. So, grab a notebook and let's embark on this transformative journey to make every moment count. Are you ready to take the first step? Let's get started! Setting clear goals. Setting clear goals is essential for turning your dreams into reality. By using the SMART criteria, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, you can create a roadmap for success. Start by identifying both personal and professional goals for the year. What do you want to achieve? Once you have your goals in mind, break them down into manageable steps. For instance, if your goal is to get fit, outline weekly workout plans and meal prep schedules. This makes the journey less overwhelming and more attainable. Tracking your progress is equally important. It keeps you motivated and accountable. Regularly reviewing your milestones allows you to celebrate small victories and adjust your strategies as needed. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal. So let's get started on crafting those SMART goals and watch your dreams unfold. Creating a positive mindset. Cultivating a positive and resilient mindset is crucial for achieving your goals and enhancing your overall well-being. One effective practice is gratitude journaling. Take a few minutes each day to jot down things you're thankful for. This simple act shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. Additionally, incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine can help rewire your thinking. Repeat empowering statements that resonate with you, reinforcing your self-belief. Surrounding yourself with positive influences is equally important. Connect with uplifting friends and mentors who inspire you to grow. Lastly, challenge those pesky negative thoughts that creep in. Instead of letting them take control, consciously replace them with constructive alternatives. Remember, a positive mindset is a choice you can make every day. Let's embrace these techniques and watch how they transform our lives. Building healthy habits. Establishing healthy daily routines is vital for overall well-being and success. Start by incorporating regular exercise into your schedule. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or hitting the gym, find what you enjoy. Pair this with balanced nutrition. Focus on whole foods that nourish your body and mind. Don't underestimate the power of adequate sleep, as it's essential for recovery and mental clarity. Additionally, practicing mindfulness and stress management techniques like meditation or deep breathing can significantly enhance your emotional resilience. These practices help you stay grounded and focused, even during challenging times. To ensure you stay on track, consider tracking your habits. And to continually make money online, you need to be disciplined, determined, and focused. Use a journal or an app to monitor your progress and hold yourself accountable. Remember, small, consistent changes lead to lasting results. Let's commit to building these healthy habits together and watch our lives transform. Fostering relationships. Nurturing personal and professional relationships is essential for a fulfilling life. Strong connections provide support, encouragement, and joy. Start by reconnecting with old friends. Send a message or plan a coffee date to rekindle those bonds. Don't forget to make new connections, whether through networking events or community activities. Effective communication is key. Practice active listening to truly understand others and foster deeper connections. Show genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings, which can strengthen your relationships significantly. Additionally, expressing appreciation goes a long way. Simple gestures like a heartfelt note or a compliment can brighten someone's day and reinforce your bond. Support your loved ones during tough times and celebrate their successes no matter how small. By investing time and effort into your relationships, you'll create a strong support network that enriches your life. Let's prioritize fostering these meaningful connections together. Embracing new experiences. Stepping out of your comfort zone is a powerful way to grow and discover new passions. I encourage you to try activities like traveling to new places, learning a new skill, or volunteering for a cause you care about. Each of these experiences opens doors to fresh perspectives and opportunities. Embracing change and uncertainty can be daunting, but it often leads to personal growth and resilience. Explore new avenues for making money online, and remember to keep learning every day. When you challenge yourself, you build confidence and adaptability. essential traits for navigating life's ups and downs. To make the most of these experiences, consider documenting your journey, whether through journaling, blogging, or vlogging. Reflecting on your adventures not only helps you appreciate your growth, but also serves as a reminder of your courage to embrace the unknown. So let's dive into new experiences together and see how they can transform our lives for the better. Managing time effectively. Improving your time management skills is crucial for achieving your goals and maintaining balance in life. One effective strategy is to utilize tools like planners or digital apps to schedule your tasks. These resources help you visualize your day and keep you organized. Next, prioritize your tasks based on urgency and importance. Consider using the Eisenhower matrix to distinguish between what needs immediate attention and what can wait. This approach ensures you focus on what truly matters. Additionally, setting boundaries is essential to protect your personal time. Learn to say no to commitments that don't align with your goals or values, and carve out time for self-care and relaxation. By implementing these strategies, you'll not only enhance your productivity, but also create a healthier work-life balance. Let's take control of our time and make every moment count. Celebrating small wins. Recognizing and celebrating progress is vital for maintaining motivation and a positive mindset. I encourage you to acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Each step forward is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Celebrating milestones has significant psychological benefits. It boosts your confidence, reinforces positive behavior, and helps you stay focused on your goals. To make this practice even more rewarding, consider setting up a system for rewarding yourself when you reach specific goals. This could be treating yourself to a favorite meal, enjoying a day off, or indulging in a hobby you love. These rewards create a sense of accomplishment and make the journey more enjoyable. Remember, every small win counts, and by celebrating them, you're paving the way for even greater successes. Let's embrace this practice and keep our motivation soaring. Seeking continuous learning. Lifelong learning and personal development are essential for growth and fulfillment in today's fast-paced world. I encourage you to embrace this journey by reading books, taking courses, or attending workshops that pique your interest. Each new piece of knowledge expands your horizons and enhances your skills. Staying curious and open-minded is crucial. It allows you to explore diverse perspectives and adapt to change more effectively. Consider joining communities or groups that foster learning, whether online or in person. These connections not only provide valuable resources, but also inspire you to push your boundaries and share experiences with like-minded individuals. Remember, the pursuit of knowledge doesn't end with formal education. It's a lifelong adventure. By committing to continuous learning, you'll not only enrich your life, but also empower yourself to navigate challenges with confidence. Let's embark on this exciting journey of growth together, giving back to the community. Volunteering and helping others can profoundly impact both the community and your personal fulfillment. I encourage you to find local organizations or causes that resonate with your values, whether it's a food bank, animal shelter, or environmental group. Engaging in community service not only addresses pressing needs, but also enhances your sense of purpose and connection. The joy of making a difference in someone else's life can be incredibly rewarding. To amplify this experience, consider involving family and friends in your community service efforts. Organize group volunteering days or participate in charity events together. This fosters teamwork and strengthens your bonds. Sharing these experiences can inspire others to give back as well. Remember, every small act of kindness counts, and together we can create a positive ripple effect in our communities. Let's embrace the spirit of giving back and make a lasting impact. As we wrap up, let's recap the key takeaways for making the next 12 months truly transformative. We've discussed the importance of setting clear, smart goals, cultivating a positive mindset, and building healthy habits. Embracing new experiences and fostering relationships can further enrich your journey. Remember, celebrating small wins and seeking continuous learning are vital for maintaining motivation and growth. Now it's time to take actionable steps toward your goals. Start today by implementing one or two strategies we've covered. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with friends who might benefit from this journey as well. Together, we can inspire each other to create meaningful change in our lives. Let's commit to making this year the best one yet. Thank you for watching, and hit that subscribe and like buttons. If you would like to know more about making money online, click on our free training video below. This video has changed the lives of many students, and you could be next.